One of the things that I did want to cover um, was whenever you're in the contact database, under on the navigation menu on the left, click on contacts, brings you into the normal contact list, in which case we have the ABCDs categories right here. A lot of people use them in different ways, but one of the things that we do have available, sometimes, the letters kind of get lost and blurry, whatever, and sometimes it's a little difficult to distinguish between them. So one of the things that we did early on was in this upper right hand corner, the little hamburger menu, they call it, three little horizontal lines. You can click on that and then go into the layout option. Layout. From layout, it'll show you a submenu, and you can say configure layout. You can save layout as, so you can save it as another name. You can load a particular layout from here, delete a layout, or set the current layout as your default. In this case, I just want to go into the configure layout. What we want to do is, this being hard to see, let's colorize it. Okay, so in the configure layout, you look at the layout, and what this is a representation of all the fields that we have available that you can put into your browse list, your list of contacts and stuff. And pretty much all the main fields that you would want are in there. There's some that are not, but it definitely is the majority of them. On the category, there's this colorize option, and you can just turn that on right there. And once it's turned on, you can do like a save as. If, like right now, it's just the standard layout when you first come in. You can click on save as and say colorized layout if you want. Colorized. I'd spell it correctly. And I'm going to click on save. So what that does then is, now those stand out a whole lot better.